Hello guys, welcome to Track Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how to lock WhatsApp chat without any app new update. So to lock WhatsApp chat, just go to WhatsApp at first. Now to lock a chat, just click on a chat. Now after clicking here, just click in the top the name of the chat. And after clicking it, in the bottom here you will see chat lock option, just click on it. Now just turn on this option, and after turning this option on, you can just lock your WhatsApp chat with fingerprint. Just confirm your fingerprint and you can just click on view and just go back. Now here you can see locked chats, just click on it, and after clicking it, just give your fingerprint, and after giving your fingerprint you can just unlock the locked chats. So guys, that's the locked chat feature on WhatsApp. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.